Hello everyone,
I am Maria Paula.
I'm Paula and we are refined students in level 18. Today we are going to cook pasta with a pesto sauce. The ingredients are pasta penne, sweet corn, salt, olive oil, and if you want, pepper. The ingredients for the pesto sauce are olive oil, basil, mozzarella or Parmesan cheese, and peanut without salt and salt. And the only utensil that we will use for the pesto is the blender. And the utensils are 1 pound with water and 1 pan. To start, we put a little salt and olive oil in the water. And we put the pasta in the hot water. For the pesto sauce, we put all the ingredients in the blender and liquefy very well. The mozzarella cheese, peanut without salt, the olive oil, and the salt. The pasta is already cooked and the pesto sauce is already. Now we are going to mix the pesto sauce with the pasta. Then we add the sweet corn and the cheese mozzarella cubes. Let me tell you our delicious recipe. Finally, this is how our pasta looks like. We can put a slice of baguette as side dish and like garnish with Parmesan cheese. To finish, we have some curious facts about pasta. Did you know that the average Italian eats 60 points of pasta per year? Oh, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.